Hey guys, what's up? It's Evelyn, and I will be teaching y'all how to do some static electricity projects at home. And these are going to be some of the materials that you're going to need to do this. So you need 2 balloons, a little pieces of tissue paper, some dryer sheets, some salt, and a couple of different fabrics like flannel. I got a sweater, and I have this cool little cotton hoodie, as well as silk. So you want to blow up your balloon, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to rub it on your head, and maybe, your parents' heads, your little siblings' heads. And this is me doing it right here. As you can see, my hair lifted up with all the static that the balloon created, and it looked really funky, and it felt kind of weird. And also I noticed that if you do it against your arm, you get the same result, and it's kind of cool to look at if you want to try and do that. I also tried it with my little sweater, as you can see, and it kind of created the same result as it did with my arm. The little fuzzies popped up, and you could see them moving along with the balloon. Next, you're going to rub your balloon on your piece of fabric. I rubbed it on my cotton sleeve first, and then you're going to see if things stick to it. So I did with the salt first. There wasn't really that much of a result. I did it with a dryer sheet, and there wasn't that much of a result either. But the tissue paper really stuck out, and it really stuck to the balloon. And as you can see in the video, it came up with it. It was really cool to watch. And then I tried my flannel to see how it would react. And I tried the salt, and first you can hear the little crackles on the balloon. It's really cool to listen to because I didn't even know that it would do that. But as you can see, it sticks really nicely to the balloon. And again, the dryer sheet did not really work out, but the tissue paper is still stuck. As you can see, even with the salt on it, it was really cool to watch it do that. So next I did my sweater sleeve. As you can see here, I rubbed it like I did with the other ones. Put it over the salt, and you can hear that crackle. It was really satisfying, honestly. It sounded really cool. And as you can see, the tissue paper stuck out even without me having to put it over it. And the dryer sheet still didn't work. So other things I tested out as listed in the sweet instructions, I rubbed 2 of the balloons together and I held them with each other, and there wasn't really much of a reaction. They were just waving around like balloons do. But then after I tried rubbing it with my flannel, they were both making a reaction with the fabric and making it stick up, as you can see in this video. It was really funny to watch because I didn't think that it would do that. But yeah, the balloons both worked together, it seemed, to create that static. So yeah. I hope you guys had fun doing this activity. Have a good one. Bye!